Okay, here we go. So we have the top ring, has these little notches on them, or little posts, I guess. And I'm gonna flip it over. Doesn't matter which direction it goes, because it's flatter this way with this thing sticking up. And then we're gonna go like this, thread part up, and these notches are gonna go in the middle of these two. See these? Right there, and right here. Now, the first thing we do is take one of these buggers and I'm gonna lay it in between all the notches and around the thing. And what we're gonna do is go under and hook it over like this. See that? Okay. This is tricky. These are tricky. And we're still in between the notches right here. So this comes up like this. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna have to lift it up a little bit, and we're gonna go loop it, go under, and then loop it over like that. Okay, so we have this situation. Now, the very tricky part is gonna keep it like this. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to go in between, go under, over. This is super tricky. You got to like that. And the same thing over here. Now, you can see that this one came apart, whoops, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So, what happens is this came out from between, so we're gonna have to get it back between. Do it from this side, just like that. There we go. Now, that's kind of what we have. And again, we want to keep it in between this post, in between these two posts. This post in between these two, this one between these two, this one between these two. Okay, see how that is? Now we get to do the fun part. So what we're going to do is grab one of these, and we're going to pull it under again and flip over. See that? And we're going to take this one and do the same thing. This is getting difficult when you get down to this point. So we got to go like that. So that side's done. So again, we have this going this way, and we did these, and then we have the two on the sides, and we went under, over, under, over. Now you got some pressure on here. I'm gonna flip the whole thing over again. And again, I have this side's been done. So we have here, 1 second. This is what we did. We had the thing going like this. This goes under and over, and this side goes under and over. Now, we're going to do the same thing with these two. Okay, these two. So I'm gonna do one at a time. This one goes under and over, ouch. And the last one is gonna be the hardest because there's so much pressure. This one's I'm gonna use my thumb on this one to get it under. Well, actually, I'm gonna use my finger. Hook my finger through. Under and over. Bam-o. Got her. This little thing, this black piece, could be moved before you put it on, or when you put it on. You could situate this so this is more up in this area here. This one's the same thing, but anyway. Okay, I'm going to take it apart again. Actually, no, I'm just going to leave it like that. So then you adjust the, just move it around a little bit to get it to be straight. Like this. Okay. These things do suck. If it's too much of a pain in the ass, we have other ones on the website that are much easier. Anyway, there you go.